Hey, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I'm Jabin Postal, and today at the grill we're making a delicious Huli Huli sauce for your next feast night. And just like always, I'm going to put all the show notes for you in the description box below, so make sure to click down there to see everything that you need for this recipe. Also, if you like what we're doing on this channel, consider subscribing for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And other than that, let's get into the sauce. So today we're going to be making some delicious Hawaiian Huli Huli sauce. And this is a really great sauce or marinade for just your everyday cook. It's sweet, it's a bit tangy, and incredibly delicious. So to get started making our Huli Huli sauce, let's grab some pineapple juice, and we're going to add in about 1 cup of pineapple juice to this. There we go. To that I'm going to add in 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of ketchup. I'm also going to take 1/4 cup of brown sugar and place that in there. I have 3 cloves of garlic that's been minced up, as well as about 1 inch of ginger that I finely minced as well. I'm going to toss that in. And then lastly, I'm going to place in about 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Okay, so with everything in our dish, let's go ahead and just mix it all together. And we want all of these ingredients just to be incorporated into this sauce. All right, there we go. It's sticky, it's delicious, it's Huli Huli sauce for your next feast night. Hey, if you want to see more barbecue videos just like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.